Hello, people. I hope you all are doing well. Yeah, I know it's been a long time. I haven't added any video. It was quite occupied with a couple of tasks. So, anyways, yeah. So here I got few minutes available, and also I have a very good test case for you. So right now I was uploading users for one of the project. So what I came across is I can upload the users. Here you can see we have an option to upload these users, but you won't be able to directly create an employees. What I mean is, if I want to create an employee, for example, okay, this one the employee is already created. Let us check another one, right? So here we have Maggie. So if I want to create an employee for this particular user, I need to click on create employees, right? Simple. It looks simple, right? Now assume you are uploading 100 employees, 200 employees, 500 employees. Okay, let's be practical. You are uploading 50 employees. So either you have to open each and every employee and click on create employee, each and every user and click on create employees, or you have to first create all the employees, upload all the employees, and then you have to link the user and employee. So it's a bit difficult task, right? So what's the option? I was just uploading these and I came across this particular I won't say issue, but I will say, um how should I name that, a blocker maybe. So how to deal with that? So the simple solution that I found out for this particular blocker is I have created a server action. This video, I'm going to keep this video very short. So here you can see, if I select this employee, click on action, you can see there is an option called create employee. Once I click on that okay, I won't be clicking on that employee, that button right now. Let me open Maggie. Okay, you can see create employees there. I will go back. I will click on this action and create employee. Okay, so here you can see I stumbled upon an error. Now what this error actually is saying and how to get rid of this? So first of all, this error is coming because of multi-company. So here you can see right now I am in demo company, and this employee, or sorry, this user is having the rights of this company, my company US, right? So it's but obvious that I won't be able to create an employee for this particular user into my company. So either I have to switch the company, or I have to give her another company's rights. So I will choose the other option, that is I'll just switch over the company. So you can see I have switched my company. So right now I'm in my company US, which is exactly matching with the user. Okay, now let's see if it works or not. Yeah, perfect, it's working. So here you can see the employee is now created in this particular company. So this is how one can directly create employees from the users. Right now I was doing by simply selecting one employees. I actually created this particular server action to multi-select and then click on create employee. It won't work because there are few employees which are, sorry, users which are created in another company. So it will again give me an error. But I hope you understood what is the logic and how it is working. Now let me just show you how I created this that server action, in case if you are new to Odoo. So for that, first of all, we need to enable our debug mode. Then just write server action, click on new, add the name of server action. I'll just show you what I just created. So this is the server action which I created. Name of server action, you have to name the server action. This particular will become your name of the that particular button or selection. So name, model is user, like user.user, being very specific, and execute a code. And this is the code that I have added. By the way, if you want this code, just ping me, I'll share the code with you. Not an issue. Once this is done, there is an option called create contextual action. Just click on that and system will automatically add that under this one, under the model. I hope this is clear to you. In case if you have any queries, any error, anything related to like this particular video or anything out of that, just feel free to ping me. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.